Alrighty, guys, so we have a lot to get into in this video. Bye-bye, baby. Bed Bath & Beyond stock, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But before we dive into the madness that's going on right now, I have to share with you all this crazy promotion that Moomoo's now running for June that literally they just told me about 5-10 minutes ago. Check it out. Now when you deposit at least $100 onto the Moomoo platform by using that link down below or by going to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, you get 5 free stocks plus 1 free share of C3AI, which that's actually exclusive to this channel. So yeah, $100 deposit, you get 5 free stocks and a free share of C3AI. And it gets even better, guys. If you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks on top of that. And listen to this, guys, this is nuts. If you deposit at least $5,000 onto the platform, you get a free share of either Tesla or Google stock, guaranteed, guys. I'm not kidding. And this runs out in a couple of weeks here. So if you want to take advantage, check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And yes, it is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And now, cheers. I got some water. I got some coffee, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So you guys know at this point, everybody should know, unless you've been living under a rock, this company is filing. It did file, and it's in the process of Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And you guys probably know that the Bed Bath & Beyond stores, they're shutting down, and they're trying to find bidders right now for their assets. And the most valuable asset by far is bye-bye Bbby, which we'll talk about here in a couple of minutes. And that's actually the asset that is likely to get bought, while the other assets like the Bed Bath & Beyond stores, and of course the other asset, what the heck was that called? Harmon Beauty or something like that. That got dissolved, I believe. I forget exactly what it was called. But either way, the real asset here is bye-bye Bbby, right? And that's in talks right now with a couple of bidders, and we're probably going to get a deal at some point very soon here. Very, 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 very soon here. And the stock's kind of teeter-tottering, waiting for some sort of decision, guys. That's pretty much where we are right now. And I've seen a lot on Reddit. I've seen a lot of comments on my videos like, oh, Stas, if bye-bye Bbby gets bought out, the stock's going to go to $5, $10. I mean, that's possible, but we have to see what bye-bye Bbby is going to get bought out at, who is going to buy out the company, or, you know, bye-bye Bbby, right? What are the terms? What's it worth? I think I was reading they're looking to do $1.5 billion of sales in fiscal 2023. How much value, you know, what's it valued at? I mean, there's so many questions here. We don't know exactly how that's going to affect the stock here in Bed Bath & Beyond stock, but there's a lot of speculation, and I tend to agree with this, that if we do get some sort of buyer, huge deal comes out of this, this stock could see a big run. Definitely possible. Definitely in the cards. What do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. And today so far, guys, the stock's not doing much of anything. It's currently up 0.7%, not much, you know, pretty much flat. And earlier in the day, we did see a little bit of a rally to about 22.5 cents. That was in the morning. Let me zoom in here. And yesterday we had a huge run into close, if I'm seeing this correctly. We ran up to 25 cents. So yeah, pretty much today, guys, has been consolidation, other than that run up in the morning where we opened up at around 21 cents and we saw a run to about 22.5 cents. Other than that 8% move, we haven't really done much of anything today, and quite frankly, that's kind of what we saw yesterday, is it not? I mean, you guys probably remember yesterday we consolidated all day pretty much from around 10:30 a.m., 11 a.m., all throughout the rest of the day, and that's pretty much where we're holding right now, where we held yesterday for the majority of the day, 21 cents. That's where we're holding right now, guys, and if we pull up the 5-day, 5-minute chart, you're going to see, we are still under the 180 SMA, which might not be the best sign for the bulls. But if we pull up the 10-day chart, you guys are going to see, which we covered this in the past couple of videos. Actually, no, not the 10-day chart. The 10-day chart shows that, well, we have a death cross and we're still being dominated by the bears in the short term. But on the 20-day chart, let me pull that up, guys, we're still technically holding an uptrend. You heard that right. We're still fighting at a higher low, which we covered in recent videos, right? We're fighting at around 21 cents, which is a good sign for the bulls. And what you guys notice here, pretty much essentially what it is a wedge, right? We have lower highs being made, but higher lows at the same time. So Bed Bath & Beyond stock, now it's up 2%. Let's see if we can make some sort of rally. Maybe I'll do another video, and I'll probably do a couple of videos on this stock per week as we're getting news and as things unfold in the bankruptcy proceedings, right? So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and let me pull up now Safari very, very quickly, guys. Bear with me. So this article by CNBC, the headline says, "Here's where a possible sale of Bed Bath & Beyond and bye-bye Bbby stands." This is an interesting article that I kind of want to pick apart a little bit very quickly. Then we'll wrap up the video. So the auction process for Bed Bath & Beyond and its assets was extended once again as discussions progress with potential bidders, like we talked about earlier in this video, namely for its bye-bye Bbby chain of stores. In court papers filed Thursday, Bed Bath & Beyond said it would delay its sale timeline a few days to quote, to ensure the most value maximizing transaction is achieved. And again, make sure to subscribe because we're going to follow this process pretty much every single day. So if you want to see updates, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The delay comes as the company has held discussions with potential bidders for bye-bye Bbby, which has attracted the most interest before and during the bankruptcy process so far. And the chain of namesake Bed Bath & Beyond stores is still expected to be dissolved after the bankruptcy, which you guys probably know if you live in the United States. If you were near a bye-bye, or not a bye-bye Bbby, a Bed Bath & Beyond, these names are pretty catchy, right? If you live by one of those, it's pretty much closing down. You're seeing the blowout sales. They're trying to get rid of all the inventory. This is not news at this point in time. And the assets of the baby gear retailer bye-bye Bbby had earlier attracted interest from at least 2 bidders, including Babylist, CNBC previously reported, and the interest particularly centers on the chain's IP, in other words, their intellectual property. And there have also been discussions to sell the retailer to the private equity firm behind the children's apparel brand Janie and Jack, the Wall Street Journal reported earlier this week. And bye-bye Bbby has been considered the crown jewel of the assets, yada, yada, yada. We talked about that already. And stock and horse bids, the floor bid for an auction, are now due June 11th at 5 p.m. And the final bid deadline is now June 16th at noon Eastern Standard Time. If needed, an auction will take place June 21st. So clock is ticking. The clock is ticking, guys. Time is winding down, and at some point, of course, we will get a transaction here. There's no way they're not going to buy, or somebody's not going to buy the assets of bye-bye Bbby, their intellectual property. There's no way they're not going to do it. It's just a matter of when they're going to do it, right? When the heck are we going to get this news? And it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out, guys. I'm in it for the ride. You guys know I own this stock. It's not a big position. I'm not going to lie and be like, oh, it's 50% of my net worth. Oh, it's 100% of my portfolio. It's not. It's a very small amount that I'm willing to lose, but it's been fun tracking this thing. It's been fun having some money in it, and I'm in it till the end, baby. Let's go. So if y'all found value, hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe. And guys, listen, Moomoo's running the best promo, no joke, they've ever ran right now. So if you want to help out the channel and you want some free money, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Deposit at least $100, guys. You get 5 stocks on top of a free share of C3AI guaranteed, which is exclusive to this channel. And deposit at least $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks on top of those 6 stocks. And if you want to deposit a lot more money, it's a lot more money, but $5,000, you can get a free share of Tesla or Google guaranteed on top of those other stocks. So, I mean, this is a crazy promo. If you guys want some free money, check out the details link down below. And of course, that link helps out the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.